morning to everyone. It's a very big show of masterminds. So first of all, I want to welcome a majors of the society. Please welcome them. These are the majors of the society. So first of all, I want to call upon Miss Hania Banu onto the stage, please. Yes, please. Okay, Miss Hania, which profession do you think the best in the society?
I think engineer is the best profession in the society
Why?
because they're building so many buildings and gain lot of money.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next I want to call upon Miss Asmin onto the stage, please. Okay, please be seated. Okay, Miss Asmin, which profession do you think the best in the society?
I think doctor is the best professor in the society
Why?
because they are protecting us from diseases, viruses, etc. and they gain more money.
Okay. Okay, next finally I want to call upon Miss Dilapsha onto the stage, please. Okay, Dilapsha, please be seated. Okay, which profession do you think the best in the society?
I think IPS is the best profession in the society.
Why?
They gain lot of money in the society and protecting us.
Okay, thank you so much. Do you agree with these words? Okay, all of the three members, please come to the stage, please. May I know the reason among these professions? Why don't you?
I don't know about her.
Or what?
I think she gain less money.
Okay, what about you?
I think by her dressing she gain little money.
Okay, ma'am, it's time to do yourself.
Okay, myself Vinila, I'm a teacher. These are my students.
I became a doctor by her teaching only.
I become an engineer by her teaching only.
I become a IPS to protect you by her teaching only.
Okay, we can conclude that a teacher is a good profession of the society. We can't make a teacher a doctor, a engineer, Have a nice day.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మన HN9 టీవీ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.